Hi, I'm Jose from Wood-Mizer, and today I'd like to introduce to you the PC100 Upcut saw. The PC100 comes in right-handed and left-handed models with a 10 horsepower motor in 240 and 480 three-phase operation and 220 single-phase operation. The saw is complete with a self-contained electric panel, and there are supplies needed for the clamp and the upper segmented guard operation. The cutting cycle is controlled by two-hand operation for safety. The PC100 comes with a quick change height adjustment handle. The machine comes with an easy to use control panel. The PC100 requires an 18-inch diameter by 1-inch bore saw blade sold separately. The maximum cut capacities of the PC100 are 1x13, 2x12, 3x10, and 4x9 inches. Full height gravity operated board stops are available and can be placed as close as 1 inch apart. A gang stop is available for cutting multiple boards of the same length at one time. Each 4-foot outfit table section includes a scale for accurate cuts. The machine comes with a 4-inch dust outlet and a blowgun for easy cleanup. The 4-inch outlet requires a minimum of 600 CFM for dust collection. The machine will arrive with a shipping bracket for easy placement of the saw. The optional equipment for the PC100 includes roller infeed and outfit tables available in 4-foot increments up to 16 feet long with adjustable feet for leveling. Thanks for watching. For any more information on the PC100 or Wood-Mizer products, visit woodmizer.com.
Wood-Mizer.